Here's why I'm a crazy. Check this out. And to be quite honest with you, I don't like being told what to do by do-gooders. Yes, yes, I wish to be made of gold. Gold! A little bit of drinking last night. The veins, they purify all. And make them come off not so much like a Vegas pimp would wear them. And last but not least on my cheat sheet, been a while and these things are hot. I feel like I'm in the clubs back in Korea in the 90s. In the clubs, in the clubs, in this. And then once the rough cut of it's done, we can see about fitting the blade. Then we can blacksmith us a blade into it, and it's gonna be awesome. Forged in fire. Rah! Get that old Brooklyn beat down. So now we just got a bunch of detail and fitting work to do. Let's get to it. And Bubba, we're gonna make this joker pop. It will kill!
Don't hit my truck.
Don't hit the truck.
Missed.
I never miss. Just want to thank everybody for watching. Enjoy the video, enjoy the music. Definitely think about leaving a comment for the next Evil Lair project coming up in February. We're going to do it in February. That may be dangerous. Like low levels of radiation, dangerous. Use a lot of flux, because flux is glue. Flux is glue. If you don't know what flux is, that's that white cocaine looking stuff I smear all over it. Not that you'll know. If I mess up too bad, I'm just gonna edit it and start over. That's what $10 quarters looks like when it's melted and forged together. Money. David's looking at me all weird. Better go mind your own business. We're doing evil genius stuff up here. Well, the same thing happens when an atomic bomb goes off in the sand. And very low levels of radiation here. It's, oh my God, it's like real kryptonite. Oh, bastard! Oh! Is this thing on? Oh, it's on. Okay, cool. My God, he actually takes some freaking long. I need to get this place cleaned up and do some dancing. Oh, I'm gonna open my package with my flippy knife. Right? And you'll open your scissors and you'll put your hands on the blade and start cutting that. Come on, that's not even close to being professional. Break out some hunting survival knife and you're like, blah! Garbage. Worse yet, I actually watched one YouTuber used an AK-47 bayonet to open up his comic book packages. Yeah, I think I've used one of these before. We're gonna weld it up, and then we're gonna strike up the forge, and we're gonna tick, 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 and get it all put together. Oh, it's still hot! It's still hot! So when I heat this up and forge it and hit it with a hammer, hot copper doesn't fall all over my crotch and burn me to death. It's like Spider-Man's web, right? It just goes, the copper goes, and it shoots out. That. Mr. Pig Nips himself, the raccoon strangler of the Pacific Northwest. I'm gonna mess up my camera, but that's funny. Not today, superhero. Wolverine. quick pro tip for all the guys out there. Got some leftover spaghetti, but you don't want to do dishes. Store it in some bullshit Tupperware and eat it with chopsticks from a takeout restaurant. Italiano. Mixture of cultures. And if your wife's like, don't use my kid Tupperware, just buy her one. Tupperware. Ah! We have to come up with our own explosive formula for it that can somewhat be safe. And I love lunch. And I love chemistry and math. So there it is. See it. At least that's the theory at this point. You want a bite?
Nice.
Shout out to my man, Richard Johnson, aka Dick. Richard Johnson. Some people need to think about naming what you're naming your kids. You've seen these things before through CGC. This is not how you protect a comic book. And then we'll get this out to them. So now we're just going to mix a bunch of resin together. So enjoy this song. There is a good chance right now as you're watching this, I am on the road to Remy Q's down in North Carolina. Damn it. It was okay, now that everything's been kind of cut and put in place. Well, kind of Dr. Do.
The do the buys, yeah. The do the buys. The do the buys, yeah. The do the buys.
It's almost done. Spooky. I had a little glow to it too. You want to see the glow? Let's see the glow. Just a little bit of glow around the eyes to kind of make it, and then a little around the mouth too, just so it kind of sticks out at night. We'll stuff our orange ball in it and shoot it to another dimension as it goes away. Boom. Disappears. Then we'll close it. Then we'll bring it back. Put it back into the box. And there it is. Let's paint it and put it together. So it wouldn't be a magical box without some magical symbols on it. So I picked these things up for like $1. And what we're going to do is we're going to engrave Doctor Strange and Dr. Fate. How do we do that? Well, we cheat. It's perspective, right? We got Dr. Strange, glowy, glowy. We got some Dr. Fate, glowy, glowy. They look like I'm Batman. And that's just a cool thing to see, so. Really? Some people may wonder why it takes me 30 days to make a box on the cup with the back of it. You wanna know why? Because I can't cut a straight line out of wood to save my life. Okay, let's see. And that's why I'm a crazy. Hope you enjoyed it. Cardboard Crazies, congratulations on 500 subs, and congratulations on getting a channel sponsor. You put up great content. I love hanging out with artists and different people you bring in there, and I love playing you while I'm in the shop doing all that stuff. That way I can kind of, feel like I'm part of the crowd. So thank you for that. That's my entry, if that counts. I don't know if I was actually supposed to. Well, I can do what I want. But hey, guys, take it easy. Bye.